Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good day everyone. This is Javeedan and I welcome you on the behalf of DPS and college in the online English class lesson 14. Today we are going to talk about pair of words set 2. But before starting our lesson, I would like you all to have a look at the objectives. Students will be able to know the difference between the words in the troublesome word pairs, identify the words in sentences, fill in the blanks using the correct words from the word pairs. Before starting our lesson, let me explain. I am going to tell you the meanings in Urdu to make the words even clear. Able, Qabil, he is an able teacher. Capable, Ahl, he is capable for this post. Ability, काम करने की काबिलियत. He was promoted on the basis of his ability. Capacity, समझने की काबिलियत. His capacity for English is limited. Abstain, परहेज करना. You should abstain from smoking. Refrain, बाज रहना. You should refrain from playing in the street. Accident, हादसा. He died in an accident. May his soul rest in peace. Incident, वाकया. I cannot forget this incident. Admit, किसी हकीकत को तस्लीम करना. I admit that he is an honest man. Confess, किसी गलती का एतराफ़ करना. He confessed his crime in the court. Ago, सादा माजी के साथ. She met me 2 days ago. Before, माजी बईद के साथ. She had met me 2 days before. Alter, रद्दो बदल करना. As you ask your tailor to alter your dress. I cannot alter my mind. Change, तब्दील करना. I want to change this house for a better one. All ready, बिल्कुल तैयार. As you were all ready for today's lesson. They were all ready to go on a picnic. Already, कबल अज़ीं या पहले ही. They had already gone for a picnic. Among, दो से ज़्यादा के दरमियान. Divide these apples among all the boys. Between, दो के दरमियान. Please divide these apples between two boys. Ancient, Qadim. There are many ancient buildings in Lahore and I would like you all to see them. Old, Purana, Budha. This is my old car, or he is an old man. Artist, Fankar. A painter is an artist. Artist, he is a famous TV artist. That means Gavaiya, a professional singer you may say. Artisan, Dastkar, the one who works with hand. A carpenter is an artisan. Bath, Ghusl, I take a bath daily. Bathe, ghusl karna. The boys are bathing in the canal. Breathe. Here it is, noun, and it means सांस लेना. He held his breath. Breathe. Verb, सांस लेना. She was breathing with difficulty. Calendar, jantri या calendar. Please hang this calendar on the wall. Calendar. कपड़े को press करना. Please calendar this coat. Childlike, मासूमाना. I love her for her childlike habits. Childish, ahmakana. I do not like her for her childish habits. Climate, Abu Hawa. The climate of Lahore is dry. Weather, Arzi Mausam. The weather is very fine today. Cloth, Ansila Kapda. His elder brother deals in cloth. Clothes, सिले हुए कपड़े. I wear light clothes in summer, and according to winter, we are supposed to wear thick clothes. Cloth, कपड़े पहनाना या लपेटना. Parents should clothe their children properly, or she clothed her sentiments in words. Cold, नाखुशगवार, ठंडा. One should not drink cold water. Cool, खुशगवार, ठंडा. The cool breeze is blowing. Continuous, वक्फे के बगैर. Continuous rain did not allow us to go out. Continual, वक्फे वक्फे से. It has been raining continually for 2 days. Credible, काबिले यकीन. The story of this film is not credible. Creditable, काबिले तारीफ. Your efforts are really creditable. Credulous, ज़ईफुल एतकाद. The credulous people can be easily deceived. Device, तदबीर या scheme. Your device is not practicable. Devise, इजाद करना. He devised a washing machine of new design. Discover, दरियाफ्त करना. Something which is already there but somebody finds it. Columbus discovered America. Invent, इजाद करना. Something which is nowhere and has been made by someone. Marconi invented radio. Disease, बीमारी. Cancer is a fatal disease. May Almighty save us all. Disease, मौत. He was very sad on the decease of his uncle. May his soul rest in peace. Deceased, बीमारी ज़दा. He is a deceased person. May Almighty be kind to him. Deceased, मरहूम या मुर्दा. Her father is deceased. Drown, जानदार चीज का डूबना. Last year, many animals drowned in the flood. Sink, बेजान चीज का डूबना. The wood does not sink into water. Elder, रिश्ते में बड़ा होना. He is my elder brother, so I must respect him. Older, उम्र में बड़ा होना. I am older than my younger brother. Empire, Sultanate. History tells marvelous stories about Mughal Empire. I would like you all to read them. Umpire. Umpire stays the same in Urdu as well. The judgment of the umpire is final. Empty, खाली. This box is empty. Vacant, जिस जगह पर किसी का कब्जा ना हो. The house in my street was vacant. Enable, काबिल बनाना. Your cooperation will enable me to get my aims. Unable, नाकाबिल. Sarah was unable to complete her work in time. Envious, काबिल रश्क. Envious, hasad. We should not be envious of others. Enviable, काबिल रश्क. His health is enviable, mashallah. Exceptional, गैर मामूली. He is a man with exceptional ability. Exceptionable, काबिल एतराज़. He was arrested for making an exceptionable speech. Excite, जज्बात में लाना. His speech excited the people. Incite, उकसाना. जुर्म पर आमादा करना. Ali incited his friends for robbery. Famous, किसी अच्छे काम के लिए मशहूर होना. Allama Iqbal is a famous poet. Notorious, किसी बुरे काम के लिए मशहूर. He is a notorious thief. Notable, मुअज़्ज़िज़ आदमी. The notables of the town were invited for the seminar. Float, बेजान चीज का तैरना. Wood floats in water. Swim, जानदार का तैरना. Umar can swim underwater. Great. Funeral, janaza. Ali went to attend the funeral. Funereal, matmi. She wore a funereal look. Habit, adat. One must adopt good habits. Custom, Rawaj. We should finish the bad customs from our society and we should be the pioneers. Costume, Libas. The costume of the actress was really elegant. Healthy, Sehatmand. Physical activities keep us healthy. Healthful, Sehat Baksh. Milk is a healthful diet. That's why I often ask you to take it. Hear, Sunna. I can't hear you. Could you please speak louder? Listen. तवज्जो से सुनना. Please listen to my words. High. बेजान चीज की ऊंचाई. The wall of the fort was really high. Tall. जानदार चीज की बुलंदी. Aslam is a tall man. Historic. Ahem या यादगार. He made a historic speech. Historical. Tarihi. There are many historical buildings in Lahore, so whenever you visit, please do visit those places. Honorary. Ezazi या bila tanha. Sara is the honorary president of this club. Honorarium. Adaigi bator ezaz. He was offered some honorarium for his work. Home. Rehne ka ilaka. I would be at home by 7 p.m. inshallah. House. Makan. I bought a new house in Lahore. Hung. Latkana. She hung her dress in the cupboard. Hanged. Phansi dena. The murderer was hanged yesterday. Ice. Masnoi barf. The one you make in your freezer. Please put some ice in the juice. It is for summers, not for winters. Snow. Kudarti barf. Snowfall on the mountains decrease the temperature and we all can observe it. Illiterate. Unpad. He is an illiterate person. Ignorant. Bekhabar. He is ignorant of your arrival here, so please inform him. Imaginary. Tasavvurati ya khayali. It is an imaginary story. Imaginative. Takhayyulati ya takhayyul wala. He has an imaginative mind. Imperial. Shahi. She lives in an imperial palace. And there is an imperial soap as well. Imperious. Mutakabbirana. I dislike his imperious tone. Ingenious. Zahim. He is an ingenious doctor. Ingenious. Anokha. The thief devised an ingenious method to get escape. If you remember, we had the word devised as well, and if you match it, you will understand it even better. Learn. Guys, here learn is understood in two meanings. Please adjust it according to the situation. That is yaad karna ya seekhna. Number one is he is learning his lesson. And the other is he is learning how to drive a car. Now you can adjust it according to the scene. Teach. Sikhana. I am an English teacher and I teach English at different levels. Lend. Udhar dena. Could you please lend me your camera for a few days? Borrow. Udhar lena. I borrowed some money from my brother. Here we can see an assessment and I would like you all to go through it. It would be really appreciated if you fill the blanks. Let's have a look. Fill in the blanks with the options given. A. I love her for her dash habits. Childish or childlike? B. Your cooperation will be dash me to get my aim. Unable? Unable. C. Don't go out. It's really dash outside. Cool or cold? D. The players were waiting for dash's decision. Empire or umpire? We visited a few dash places. Historic or historical? Good luck!